Grade 7 girls, let us continue lesson number 4.1. Let me continue lesson 4.1, that is algebraic expression. Write and evaluate algebraic expression. Question number 15. What expression can be used to determine the total cost of buying G pounds of granola? G pounds, and the G pounds is how much? $3. So $3 multiplied by G pounds, and means plus F pounds, and each pound is 0.74. So simple girls, as I told you, one granola is G pounds. So I mean, for 1 pound, it is 3.25. So G pound, how much? You will multiply this. 3.25 G plus 0.74 F. 3.25 G plus 0.74 F. This is the direct question. Which expression can be used to determine the total weight of the box? Okay, tell me the weight of the box. Here it is given as 1.3 kg each. But how many plates are there inside? P plates. So 1.3 multiplied by P means 1.3 P plus, because the box is 0.2 kg. So you will just add the box. First, girls, you will check for this and then you will add the weight of the box. Page 193. Malak, you need to write along with me. Are you doing it?
Hello, miss. Yeah.
Okay. May I go to next page, 194? Next, girls. The expression minus 120 plus 13m represent a submarine that began at a depth of 120 feet below sea. 120 feet below sea level means negative 120. 120 feet below sea level means negative 120, because you're going down this negative. And ascend, what is the meaning of ascend? Ascend means going up. Ascend means increasing. Up means descent is decreasing, and ascend means increasing at a rate of 30 feet per minute. So minus 120 plus 13 feet per minute, and 1 minute is m. No, they say 13 after 6 minutes means you have to multiply 13 with 6, because 1 minute is actually 13 feet per minute. But how many minutes they are asking you? 6 minutes. They are not asking you m minutes. So you will just first multiply 13 and 6. You get minus 120 plus 78. How much it is? Minus what? What do you see? Minus 120, that per feet. Okay, so what was the depth of the submarine after 6 minutes? That is 13 times 6 is 678, right? So minus 120 plus 78 means how many? Minus 42, right? So that means 42 feet below sea level, because it is minus, you will write 42 feet below sea level. Yes, sure. Now see, minus 120 plus 13, and m means 6. Plus below sea level. Done? 18 and 19, put a cross mark quickly. 18 and 19, put a cross mark. Joe bought gallons of gasoline for 2.85. So of course, you know that you write 2.85 G because G of gallons of gasoline, okay? And means plus, C cans, and how much is C? 3.15. Any questions? G gallons for $2.85. C, that's can, 3.5. And you said and, that means you will plus both of them. If he bought 8.4 gallons, for 1 gallon, how much? For 1 gallon, how much it is given? For G gallons, for per gallon means 1 gallon is how much girls? Okay, 2.85. And they ask you, what is the cost of 8.4 gallons? So you will definitely multiply. 2.85 multiply 8.4. What is equal? 42.84. This is 6. Once again, plus 6 cans. Plus, 1 minute, plus 6 cans of, that is 3.15 multiply by 6. Come on, do this. Plus how much? 3.15 times 6, how much it is? $18.9. Now, when you add this, what do you get? When you add this to, what do you get? No, my dear, I was correct. Okay, one minute. Sorry. Wait a minute. Give me some time. What did you get when you multiply this? 2.85 plus 8.4 times 8. What do you get this? 23.94. And then you do this 3.15 times 6. 18 point. Okay, add both of them. This is the answer. Do you understand? Simple, girls. 1 minute. Don't write all this, just write. Sorry. Just write this equation first. 2.85G plus 3.15C. What is 2.85? What is G? How much is G in the question? How many gallons they told? 8.4 gallons. And how about how many cans they said, Ghalia, in the question? How many cans? 6, right? That means you will multiply 2.85 multiply by 8.4 and you will multiply 3.15 times 6. So you get again, if you do all this, what do you get here? I'm sorry, again, send me 2.85 times 8.4. How much it is? Rital, you have calculator? Yalla, wake up and tell me what is 2.85 times 8.4. How much? Okay. Which one you did? This only or this? This one? No, it's wrong. Do it to 2.85 times 8.4. And then this one? She did this side. So your answer is $14.84. Any questions? See, the temperature was 73 and it decreases. What does the meaning of decreases, Rital? If it was 73 and it decreases means you have to minus rate of 1.5 per hour. So they said hour means H. So you write 1.5 H. Any questions? Malak, are you getting it?
Yes, miss.
Girls, once again, I'm reminding you, I need that answers, those answers, okay? Today, I will give you the sheets. I even printed that day, but I couldn't find you. I gave to Malak, she came that day. So 3 of you, I'll give you the papers. Even you, I'll give you the paper. You can keep it in the file. And then you can solve it, okay? If you feel difficulty looking at the mobile and seeing the questions every time. May I go to my next lesson? Yes?
Yes, miss.
Inshallah, dear. It will be a little bit higher, but it goes interesting. As you have seen, it goes more interesting, okay? Okay. This time, Nancy wrote the expression 3x minus 12 in the table of values. What did she write? She wrote 3x minus 12. Now see very carefully. Malak, please. We need to use operations. Remember distributive property, cumulative property. Do you remember or nothing? Anyways, no problem. What do you see here? 3 and 12 together. 3 and 12 together. Now, Ghalia, tell me in which timetable do they come together? In 3, right? Okay. How does it come? Okay, let me write this 3 outside. You said because both of them have 3, right? In common. Tell me what is this? 3 times? 1. And what is this? 3 times? 4, right? 3 times 1, 3 times 4. Girls, you even have calculators. You can divide 3 divided by 3 and you will get 1. You will divide 12 divided 3 and you'll get 4. So that means 3 times 4 is 12. Now, Rita, look at the step. What is same in both? What is common in both? Look at the screen. Look at the board. What is common in both? 3. That means 3 is the queen. It comes out, okay? I make the bracket. When I take 3 out, only 3 out. What is left? 1. 1 actually, I don't care. I just write X. See very carefully, girls. Malak, 3 is common in both. 3 times 1 and 3 times 4. 3, I wrote it out. X is left. And what is left from 12? Yeah, Ghalia. This I wrote 1. I don't care about 1. I wrote X. Here 3 came out. What is left? 3. Okay. No, see, 12 is nothing but 3 times 4. right? So 3 is outside. So don't you think so? 4 is there inside. Did you get this? How to take common? See, in the mind I keep it. In the mind I keep it that 3x plus 12. I take 3 outside. When I take 3 outside, x is left, and 3 times 4 is 12. So 3 is outside, 4 is left. This is my answer. We see, like example, if you have like this, 1 minute, if you have 3x plus 12y, what will you do? You'll take 3 outside. Look at here, you'll put x, but here 4 is left and also y is left. Because 12 means 3 times 4. So 3 came out. How about the other things? You have to write same as it is. Whatever is left, you will write that way. Okay, I hope you got it. That's why, just write down before this. 3 is 3 times 1 and 12 is 3 times 4. 3 is out, so x minus 4. And 3x minus 12 is the same as 12x, 12 plus 3x. This is the distributive and this is cumulative. Girls, do you know that 2 plus 1 equal to 1 plus 2? 2 plus 1 equal to 1 plus 2. Do you agree to that? So if I tell you, Lean, x plus y equal y plus x. Cumulative property. 2 plus 3 equal 3 plus 2. Same way if I write here, Vatin, 7y minus 2z equals to minus 2z, because see that, because this had minus 2z plus 7y. It's exactly the same. This is what we mean. There are two properties we are using. If they are not in same time multiplication, like example, you have 5x plus 9y. 5 and 9 doesn't, you cannot do anything. You can just write it's same as this one. That's it. Cumulative, okay, but you cannot take common. You will take only common when both of them they come in the same table. Understood? Like example, if I give. Now, Malak, if I give you one question.
Yeah, miss.
Look at here. If I give you one question, 2x plus 18. How do you take common? What comes outside? Malak, this is 2 times 1 and this is 2 times 9. What comes out? What is same in both?
They're all in the timetable too.
I'll take out. What is left inside? If I take this 2 out, what is left?
X. We will just
and here, what is left?
The 18.
No, I took 2 from there. From 18, I took 2. So what is left? 2 times?
Oh, so 2 times 9?
Yeah, so 2 times 9. 9 is left. You cannot write 18 here, Malak. Yes, because if they ask you to put the value of x, then you will solve. Understood, girls, or no? Write two expressions that are equivalent to minus e. Now, who's going to say me? Okay. What is common? What do you see common? Same. What do you see here? But 4 only in the denominator. Do you see anything in the numerator? No. So can I take 1 by 4 outside? Can I take like this? See. 4 I took in the denominator common. Like, see, I cannot leave it like this. I cannot just take the denominator. So from numerator, I take 1 common. Again, the question is minus 5x over 4 minus 3, 4. So if you want, you can do that way. But if you don't want, just do the cumulative property. Tell me the cumulative property. The one 2 plus 3 is equals to 3 plus 2. What should I write here? Ghalia? Ghalia, if this and this, I want to switch, how do you write it? No. Switch means? Minus 3 or 4? Minus 5. Don't forget the sign, Ghalia. You understand? Anything they give you, like example, they give you minus 2, minus 3. So your flip, it will be like this. This is called the cumulative property. They both are same. The answers to the both are same. Understood or no? Sure? Malak, did you get it? How did I get this?
Yes, Miss.
See, Rital, negative 3 over 4 comes here. And negative 5x minus 4. Don't forget the sign. Don't forget the sign. Just write this. This is enough. Don't write all this. Just write what I have done. As 2 plus 1 equal 1 plus 2. It's same like that. You're switching. 1 comes here and 2 comes there. 2 plus 1 also give you 3 and 1 plus 2 also gives you 3. Any questions? I really feel sometimes why this class doesn't ask me any question. Rital, did you get it? Shall I go to next question? We finally got it. I don't want to do it as such a tough question. I will first see to do something else. Question for now, just put a cross mark. Or just circle it, don't put a cross mark. Next. You all know very well about this question because I gave you homework that day. 3x minus 5, okay? Girls, I want you to do this on the sticky note and stick it here. You need to substitute 1 and tell me the answer. 2, tell me the answer. And 3, tell me the answer. Come on. Put instead of x 1, 2, 3 and tell me the answers. Rital, you do with me the first one. If I put 1 instead of x, what do I get? Tell me. Instead of x, I put 1 here. What do I get? This is 1 minus 5. You have your calculator here, Rital. Come on. See, this is 3. First, you will solve the parenthesis according to PEDMAS. Take your time, come as much as ever you like now. 1 minus 5 is? Minus? 1 minus 5. Please do it again. Rital, 1 minute. 1 minus 5. You remove something. How much it is? Minus? Okay, now see, is your answer ready, Rital? What does parenthesis means? 3. Shall I minus 4 or you will multiply 4? You multiply. Multiply and tell me what is your answer. Minus 12. Now you got minus 12. Okay? So see, you will write minus 12 here. Next, Lean, what should I do next? X is? Now tell me the answer. How do you do this? 3 times? Do the parenthesis first and tell me. Negative 3. Negative 9. Malak? If I put 3 minus 5, what do I get? Look at question 3.
3 and then we're gonna put minus 2.
Very good. And what is your answer?
So we multiply them. 1.
Don't do 3 minus 2. When you see parenthesis, you need to multiply.
Okay. 2. So miss, it's 6.
Negative 6.
Negative 6.
Okay, this was all about 3x minus 5. Now 3x minus 15. 1 minus 15, that is... You can do that. 3 times negative 14. See, now next you have 3x minus 15. Instead of x, if you put 1 minus 15, you get 3 times negative 14. And what is 3 minus 15? No, it's not x minus 15 parenthesis. Sorry, girls. It is 3x minus 15. 1 minus 15. That is equals to 3 minus 15 minus 12 is your answer. 2 minus 15. That is 6 minus 15. And you have... Yes, it is the same. But see why is it the same? Because they took 3 outside and then they did the same with the same. Finish, girls? Girls, do you feel it is tough or are you able to do it? Tell me. Done? One second. Be ready with your okay, guys. Now, I just want to do a few questions with you and explain you one concept. You need to write, this is not in the book now, but with this concept, you'll be solving many questions. The concept is, remember girls, in algebra, we will always search for same family. What will you search? Okay. Now example, if I give you 2x plus 3y plus 4z plus 5x plus 3y again. Ghalia, what do you think? Which is the same family here? 3y and 3y. Very good. Let me go with another color. And one more there is. 5x and 2. Excellent. 5x and 2x. So let us bring all the families together. 2x plus 5x. And then you have 3y plus 3y. But 4z doesn't have a partner. Let me keep 4z with a different color so that you know that this is all alone. I cannot touch this. This 2 Just write the numbers and put the X. Just write the numbers and put Y. It can be even 4 numbers, 5 numbers, I don't care. I just bring all the family members together. 2 plus 5 is what? 7. You can even directly do 5 plus 2. Why can you add both of them? Because they are same family. If they are not same family, don't touch them. Again, how do you know with the same letter? Like example, if I ask you 2m plus 3n plus 7m, what is your answer? First, yes, 2 and 7. Better, I used to first write this step. It's not wrong if you directly do it, but I used to bring all them together. This was my always, because it will help later. 2 plus 7, 9m plus 3n. Don't put m to square, nothing. No, it becomes 9m plus 3n. This is my answer. I cannot do further 9 plus 3. Why? Because they're not from the same family. No, they will not say. You cannot do that. You cannot do that until there are same letters. That's why the word same family never comes in algebra. I teach my kids to remember in the lifetime. Oh, sisters, M and M, I can bring them together. Family members, same family can get together. Okay, Malak.
Yes, miss.
This is
Yes.
7x plus 9m plus 2n plus 4x plus 3n plus 4. Yalla ya Malak. Search same terms. We call them as like terms. What do they call us? We call them as like terms. They are like. Yeah, they are same family. Okay, like terms. Now tell me, Malak, I will circle for you. Which are like terms here? 7x with what? Where do you think same family comes? 7x with?
Oh, 7x with 4x.
Very good.
No, not 4.
Yes, excellent. Because x and x. Next. 9m.
9m and
9. No, it
only
doesn't have a partner. So come to 2n and
3n.
very good. So let me write 7x plus 4x plus 2n plus 3n plus 9m is alone. That's why I write in the last. And 4 is alone. You don't have any other number. 7 plus 4, 11x. 2 plus 3, 5n. 9m doesn't have a partner. I leave it like that and I write 4. Did you get it, girls? Now look at your last 11x, 5n, 9m, 4. Can you do anything to this? No. You will solve until the family is together. Got it? Is it tough? Please, Atin. So with this, I have a question here. Same like that. We have a question here. Look at it. T. What happened? Come on. T plus 4 plus 3 minus 2t. Come on here, Rital. Tell me the same family and circle them. Very good. T and minus 2t. Don't say 2t, please. So t and minus 2t. Okay. So, okay, now. And numbers. Do you have same? Yes, I have numbers also. What is, I'll write the numbers together. Now, let us solve this. If there is nothing, remember this. Don't write until I say it. There is nothing here, that means it has to be 1. What is 1 minus 2? Do with your calculator and tell me what is 1 minus 2. There is a very big difference between 1 and minus 1. Don't do such mistakes. Use your calculators. Did you understand? 1 minus 2 is minus 1 because we take the sign of the bigger number. And I write t plus 4 plus 3 is 7. So 1 is actually not needed to write. So I write minus t plus 7 is my answer. Look at it, minus t plus 7, and I choose this. Any questions? Malak, any questions?
No, miss.
That's it for today's class. I hope you have enjoyed. Yeah, write it down. Right, question 10, 7, 8, 9. Tomorrow I'm gonna do it. Malak, did you book your vaccine?
Yeah, miss. I think today or tomorrow I will book it because
You will go for your vaccine?
No,
You will go for your vaccine, you mean?
I still didn't book it. I will take it in maybe like Friday or Saturday. Okay, miss, I finished question number 10.
Okay, dear.
Bye bye, miss.
Bye, dear. I'll end the meeting.